Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to replace the battery in a Lenovo 600 Bluetooth wireless silent mouse. It's real easy. All you need to do this is you need the mouse and you need the replacement battery, which takes one AA battery. If you don't have the batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the batteries that you need. But it's real easy. All you see is you see this bottom part and you see the top part. If you just get your fingernail in between this bottom part and this top part, you can actually just pull it apart like that. It comes apart really easily. And the battery is just right in here. So it's almost, really straightforward. Just pull the battery out here and get your new battery and come in with your new battery. And again, put the flat side against the springs that are here. And then once you've put the new battery in, you can just kind of press and line up the mouse with the wheel and everything like that. And then press it down. It'll click just slightly. And that's really all there is to it. Your battery's been changed.